Hi everyone, welcome to La Cosedora Nail Art. I'm Lady and today I will show you how you can reuse your La Cosedora Nail Art Stencils. So let's do it! Now I'm showing you two of the three sheets coming in the La Cosedora 601 Nail Art Stencils collection. There is French tips and lines. Well, I will place a stencil and press firmly over dry polished nail. Apply one coat of your favorite color and remove immediately, don't let dry. The process will turn slower every time because we have a little of fresh polish over the stencil, but it's just a few seconds. If you have this problem that the polish gets filtered, just take a thin brush and do a gently cleaning while it's fresh. And that's all! Apply top coat and you have an easy but beautiful design. Hope you like it, and if you want to get these stencils, visit our Amazon store, link in the description. See you the next time, bye!